Well, now EVIT has announced a new CNA program and campus at Red Mountain High School in Mesa.
And Danielle is live with details on this partnership. And we love EVIT. They are always doing such cool stuff.
Yeah, they definitely are. They definitely bring that workforce into the classrooms and really bring people to those jobs to show them real life experience is really what they're going to be doing once they are in a professional career. And that's exactly what they're doing with this partnership with Mesa Public Schools. We have Dr. Wilson here, superintendent of EVIT. This is really cool. You guys are more branching out now, it seems, to so many different districts and now Mesa Public Schools.
Absolutely. We're just grateful that we have the opportunity to work with the state's largest school district in Mesa Public Schools. And one of the things we want to do as a CTED is to be able to be not only good stewards of providing quality education, but good stewards of taxpayer dollars. And so as we continue to grow, being able to utilize space that might be vacant in our member district facilities so that we can provide that programming, not just here, but across the East Valley, just seems to make sense. And so we're grateful that we have that opportunity with Mesa Public Schools.
And talk about the CNA program. Exactly what is it? Who's ideal for this type of program?
So CNA, Certified Nursing Assistant, and many of you who have gone into the doctor's office or have gone into the hospital have had CNAs working with you or your loved ones. Ideally, it's individuals that have a passion for healthcare, right? And so what we want to try to do is give that kind of entry-level opportunity in the CNA, but also have the potential to ladder to even more healthcare opportunities, whether it's licensed practical nurse, LPN, registered nursing, which we provide here as well. We know that in the state of Arizona, the healthcare industry is going to be in dire straits for workforce development, not just today, but for the years to come. And so can we start getting young people, high school students, engaged in the CNA program, give them a passion and a purpose for the healthcare, and then ladder them into the LPN or the RN program so they have a trajectory that's a career, but also a career that is providing value added to our communities, which is in desperate need. And
talk about the real life experience. I mean, we're here in one of your guys' lab. I've been to a lot of simulations here, childbirth, critical incidents that happen, things like that. This really puts those students in a real life experience.
Absolutely, it does. One of the things that we talk about all the time in CTE is that the real power and the real magic is kind of that hands-on application-based learning. And so within the CNA program, they'll have daily hands-on experience to build that real-time, real-world opportunity. But they'll also go out to clinics, because what we want them to be able to do is to see what that looks like, not just in the simulation lab, which, like you said, is exceptional, but also what it looks like actually in the office or in the hospital. And for our students to be able to get that capacity while they're in high school and to kind of build that efficacy once they leave we believe is kind of a leg up or a leg into them, not only in the CNA field, but in any field in the medical profession that they might choose.
And how does this work? When does it start? Do students sign up on the website or through Mesa Public Schools?
So they can do both, right? So it's going to start next fall, and it's going to be housed at Red Mountain High School in the Mesa School District, and it's open to any East Valley School District student that might want to attend it. It's not just Mesa Public Schools that has the opportunity to attend that program. Because it's ran by EVIT Central Campus, any of the students in the East Valley can participate. Any of our member districts, charter school, homeschool, anybody. And so you can get more information on our website and enroll through us or through Mesa Public Schools themselves.
Awesome. What is your guys' website?
www.evit.edu. And if anybody just wants to reach out to me, it's cwilson@evit.edu. I'll point them in the right direction.
That's right. Dr. Wilson with the cute dog.
Oh, I know.
Where is he today?
Yes, I was going to bring Ophi, but honestly, every time I bring Ophi, that's all anybody wants to see. So I get a little jealous.
Including myself.
Exactly, yeah.
Every time I show up here, I'm like, where's the dog?
I know, exactly.
Dr. Wilson, you're great, but where's the dog?
100%. So.
Next time.
Next time, for
we
sure.
want to see him. Awesome. Thank you. We appreciate it. Yes. We'll send it back to you guys.
So he didn't bring him, and we're still talking about him.
I know, right?
He is that
I know
cute.
he didn't bring him, and we're still talking about him. Sorry, Dr. Wilson.